Namaste everyone and welcome to yet another exciting video which will help you to become an H2O person. Happy, healthy, optimistic. Yes, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and of course share it with all your family and friends. Why you should do that? क्योंकि हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं बहुत सारे solutions to make you a happier person, a stress-free person and definitely more healthy. और आज का भी हमारा एम यही है to help you overcome your basic virals and bacterial infections, cold, cough, fever and sore throats. दो ingredients हैं हमारे घर में जो आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होते हैं लेकिन शायद हमें उसका जादू पता नहीं है. कौन से हैं वो? हनी एंड अनियंस. यस, अनियन, प्याज जिसे हम रोज में वापरते हैं लेकिन उसकी खासियत हमें नहीं पता है. अनियंस में बहुत सारी खासियत होती है. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड पावरफुल नेचुरल एंटीबायोटिक. यस, its anti-inflammatory properties help us to overcome all our viral infections and bacterial infections like cold, cough, fever, etc. And it works magically अगर आप उसको सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें. मैं ये कहूँगी कि अनियंस को हर रोज में ना इस्तेमाल करें because it has healing properties. Anything which has healing properties, do not use it on a regular basis in your food. Use it as a healing agent when you need it. Yes. So today I will show you a very quick syrup which will be helpful to you as well as your family members. What do you use? You use two things, honey and onions. So आप करेंगे क्या? आप onions को इस तरह से गोल गोल काट लेंगे. Cut them into round slices and take some honey. Now it's very difficult to understand which honey to use, how good is your honey. So I would like to tell you a little bit on honey, but let's first get to the recipe. अब आप एक बॉटल लेंगे, उसमें हम इस तरह से ये अनियन स्लाइसेस को डालेंगे. Then we just add little bit of honey to cover the onions. Now add another few slices of honey of onions. Just like this. And add some more honey. इस तरह से आप लेयर्स बनाते जाएंगे. जितना आपको लगता है उतना बना सकते हैं. आप एक पूरी बॉटल भी इस तरह से बनाकर रख सकते हैं. That's it. Let the onions dip completely into the honey. I'm just showing you just a little bit of the syrup. Now what you will do is बस इस बॉटल को आप बंद कर देंगे और इसे 24 घंटे के लिए बिल्कुल आप टच नहीं करेंगे. You will leave it as it is. For 24 hours, do not touch this bottle and let the honey and the onions ferment with each other. After 24 hours, आप क्या करेंगे? फिर से इस बॉटल को खोलेंगे और जितने भी हमने अनियन स्लाइसेस डुबाए थे हनी में, आप उन अनियन स्लाइसेस को धीरे धीरे करके सारे निकाल कर बाहर निकाल देंगे बेसिकली. ओके, मेक श्योर यू रिमूव ऑल द अनियन स्लाइसेस फ्रॉम योर हनी. अब तक आपका हनी पतला भी हो गया होगा बिकॉज इट सोक्स इन all the syrup from the onions and that's exactly what we need. So you will remove all the onions from this. Now I am showing you one of this. ये इसे अब 24 घंटे हो चुके हैं where we've soaked the honey and onion together. So आप देख सकते हैं it's liquidified and पतला हो चुका है ये because of the honey, the onions leaving its juice. Now all you need to do is slowly you remove the onion slices. इस तरह से सारे onion slices को आप honey में से अच्छे से निकाल दीजिएगा. Don't make sure none of the onion slices remain in your honey. And there you go. Your cough syrup is absolutely ready to drink. If you think that, I don't know how it will taste, let me tell you, it tastes really delicious and it's wonderful for children, for adults, for all ages. Now the best part about this honey syrup is कि इसे आप बाहर रख सकते हो and it will not spoil. Honey has a property where it doesn't spoil. It's one of the foods that does not spoil. This syrup now does not spoil. Take this syrup at least 3 to 4 times a day, about 2 spoons. ये सिरप आप दिन में 3 से 4 बार ले सकते हैं, अराउंड 2 स्पून्स. और इसका जादू आप जरूर देखेंगे जब आप within 2 days you will be able to overcome your cough or your cold, and also it helps in your fevers. Don't forget, this is not the only thing that works, okay? So when you've got a cold or a cough, make sure that you're having a very high dose of vitamin C, which comes with lemon water, as well as going into the sun and doing sunbathing. Now if you tell me कि हमारे पास शहद नहीं है या हनी नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे, तो आपको ये बता दूं, आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. The same thing you can make with water. Yes, very much with water. Let me show you how to do it. It's very simple. You take a few onion slices just like this. Onion slices को इस तरह से एक बोल में डाल दीजिए and pour some water in it. इसमें पानी डाल दीजिए and now let it soak for 6 to 8 hours, not more, about 6 to 8 hours. जब आप इस तरह से करेंगे तो the juices in the onion will go into the water, and after about 6 to 8 hours start drinking that at least 3 to 4 times a day. Have about 5 to 6 spoons of this, and guess what, it will work magically on your inflammations, like I said again, on your sore throats, on your cough, colds. But remember, please finish that water within that day itself. Fresh onion juice पीना चाहिए, not carry it on the next day, because it absolutely gets ruined and in fact it will cause more problems जो हम नहीं चाहते हैं. तो well, also don't forget to see the other video that we have on cough syrup, which is brilliant, which works also wonderfully, but this is something you can make and keep it. The other one which works well is the pineapple syrup. उसका वीडियो लिंक भी मैंने नीचे डाला है, आप जरूर देख सकते हैं. हनी के बारे में बहुत सारे सवाल हमारे मन में पैदा होते हैं, whether it's pure, organic, I don't know whether to use it or not. On my recent visit to Agarwal Farms in Bhopal, I just got a little more enlightenment. जहाँ मुझे बताया गया था कि first of all it's very difficult to understand, but one of the easiest ways is that it should not crystallize. उसमें granules form नहीं होने चाहिए. और दूसरी बात ये कि अगर कोई ऐसी कंपनी है जो आपको सेम फ्लेवर, सेम कलर हर बार देती है, तो फिर आपको फिर से सोचना चाहिए, बिकॉज हनीज कलर, टेक्सचर, फ्लेवर, these are not controllable. You cannot control the bees, and with the season, with the flowers, always the texture, the color and the taste, all of it differs from each other. So yes, there is nothing like organic honey because you cannot control the bees, but definitely there's something as natural honey which you can use. So if you don't have honey, don't worry, just use water and onion. But अगर आपके पास है तो आप जरूर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. But yes, one thing to be aware of, honey is an anti-inflammatory. So honey cannot be used on a regular basis. Use it to build your immunity. Use it when you really need it, like as I said, for all your bacterial infections or your viral infections. Of course, let me give you one more secret, an amazing factor about onion. अगर आपको बुखार है, यानी कि if you have fever, you know what you can do? A very simple solution. Cut an onion into few slices. Take one big slice of onion, put it on below your feet. Yes, place it below your feet. Just tie it up with a cloth and wear socks on it and go to sleep. And guess what? Next day, you will be much better than what you were the previous day. So that's another hack about onion. Well, there are so many more like this I will continue sharing with you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share them, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll be back very soon with yet another exciting video. Thank you and happy healing.
What a wonderful world.